This is Jim Griggs, ABS representative from Idaho, USA, visiting a Norwegian Red herd in Norway. Jim, first time in Norway and first time viewing Norwegian Red cows. What's your impression?
I'm impressed. I like the cows. I think they're very sturdy looking. They're milking more than what I had expected. I like the health traits. They look like they've all got really solid feet and legs underneath of them. I'm thoroughly impressed.
Cool. What did you think? What were you expecting?
I wasn't expecting to actually see as dairy of a type of animal as I am seeing. I would expect a little more beefy look to them, but I'm impressed with the amount of dairy qualities that they actually do have.
Thanks, Jim.
You're welcome.